Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the tree makeup challenge for you guys, and I have been tagged by my sister Geneva Love here on YouTube and also Gold Coast Beauty, and then some of you guys have also requested that I do it. And I watched some of the videos and they were hilarious. Now when I saw my fellow Ghanaian YouTuber Geneva Love start this tag, I thought it was a brilliant idea. And then after she posted her video, I saw all the other Ghanaian YouTubers who were doing the challenge, and I thought that's awesome. This is what I like to see on YouTube as a Ghanaian. I'm always excited to see other Ghanaians here on YouTube. So kudos to you, Geneva, for starting this. I really believe you have started something by encouraging other Ghanaians, here on YouTube to film and be more active and for us to interact more. So that's awesome. It actually turns out it's not as easy to do a makeup tutorial while speaking Tree, so I thought let me give it a go. I don't know how well I'll do. I mean, I do speak Tree quite fluently, but it might be a whole different ball game when I'm trying to explain how to do something, especially makeup in Tree. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, into your beshasye. Dedi kai maye me eyebrows. Eyebrows cry ni Tree you're saying. And only when ye chiana. No, I had ye when ye chi. Okay, my eyebrows. Okay, to me yeah, and I may start a video because eyebrows no hard drain. Toda utimi no sharp na we wie. Toda so be so enye ye. And to me dey me makeup video and pese me eyebrows no na e free hokra because me pass bia. And to na kra dey me ye no manche bia, and I feel say I mean it's okay. You see eyebrows no omo ye nuafo omo nye ntafo enti enye de bia na ne nyina be ye pepepe, but em say na de ye. Okay, enti first me be priming manim a primer where your friend Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Enti where your base a me de be ye manim nyina ansa na me de foundation no aye so. Enti me mia kakra bi we de ehia se ebedoso. Ti no. Enti me be ye me T-zone enti me hwene ene ma bodre ene me moma. When say you're oil free until you'll be to sell me a menim it me a shiny sano. With the yes so ebe minimize a oil no. Alright, until next maybe ye meniechi. I'm so honey meniechi no. Until me use a concealer where your friend or LA Girl Pro Concealer. Color way ye fawn. Until me the kakra ye meniechi. See. Now me the brush way I blend it. Pese me de ye meniechi ni nyina. Cause eno na me de eyeshadow no ebe so. Ti wo ye ni say ya. Okay, nti palette me be use your friend no Naked 3. Nti your friend no a you 3. By Urban Decay. Medium ye meniechi no a me pe color natural. Me pese me nimbe ye too much. Nti color ben kra na me use. Okay, but could be wo higher friend of Mark Shots. Name says Mark Shots. I know what to say some brown color be. Shimmer wom kakrenti. Me de bebo meniechi say. Okay, nti me ye no ria. Na me de color dark kakra. We cry the yasa, kaki to a bin so may use color where your friend of Black Heart and to me friend no kakra na me dia ye menino meniechi corner no say. Okay, to me dia no to her na me use brush for na ma blend it. Say blend there you beka say na ya pusa ana na yam. Okay, and tika usually a kameye a me eyeliner na me di a false lashes so, but me pese me ye no off camera because and also just a wo fetchiri kakra so me time on also me back to another hanti me pese obesore no obesu na afi the tutorial no mean to me BMT me pen and tem. Enti meko so no my me foundation no. Enti foundation I maybe use ye a Fenty Beauty where ye color 440. Obi anim say last year Rihanna would drop a makeup line or drop her so be a wild no be any abre obi apebi. To me so menya a product no be. And a man can me boa foundation no a papa. Since me told foundation way and non kwa na me use hwe BM enti Rihanna why idea and see made a 3 pumps ebe ye a adeɛ wei your friend no beauty blender ɛno na mede ɛbɛbobɔ m'anim na makeup no ayɛ m'anim no kama. Okay, nti mede bɛbobɔ m'anim say mede 3 pumps no yɛ aseɛ no nko from me hwene no down say na mede ayɛ ma body ɛne me kon ho kakra nti say mede yɛ m'anim no a mede bobɔ m'anim me mfentwi enti meyɛ ɛhɔ no a na masai apampe baako aka ho say na me di ayɛ me muma ena me yen so a me make sure so say me hairline no ebia me nwi no wo no me de kɔ ho nyina e makeup no ye pen natural enti obi hwɛ wo be ka say hey wo skin na ye kama saa and so makeup application no na ye kama enti say alright enti me wie no yeah me ba no wenya next alright enti next me be use a LA Girl concealer way so your friend no toast me de be highlight it enti me de be ye mani ase aha any aha na me de kakra ye aha so ene my body me mama na me de kakra so aye me hwene say enti afa nti me be blend we so aka ho. Okay, and next maybe a contour a color maybe use your espresso if you Fenty Beauty makeup range no and me the kakra ever my no ha na me the kakra so I ha say na me the kakra a my body when so me blend this okay ti merie eno afei de me be use we a Ben Nye powder your fresh color no topaz we no me de be set highlight no enti me de bo powder no mu say na me de abo manim say and so me use kakra bi and so ya blend in here and so otherwise when him be yellow bi. Okay, and next me de a MAC a powder way a friend Studio Fix me de be ye manim ho nyina na I to say my set be a woman. Now so maybe you suit a colorway a free sleek way a contour kit and that color no medium a mafno no me sabe you sa dark color no bi na me di aye ho a na a color no abaka kra bi afa so maybe you blush way your friend no a flushed and also free sleek and also me de kakra be mafno see na fade so a palette where a highlight color be warm and also made the some small highlight be once again me pen kakra bi e bi mo homo highlight here a chain say omode ayi o friend is saying glitter yi omani my shine sir e dey me pen sir. Okay, until next me be me eyeliner no any me lashes no but me no off camera. Until me yen say see about why meba. Okay, until my ba me the eyelashes na share so mo hu. Until mo hu say afa de me nim no. E bie kakra so hu because me eyelashes no me ni bi o. Nyankopon all bo me no. And they wa ma me bi. Enwi de odi ma me, enwi ogu mi ti so but eyelashes no dey. Wan fa ma me ti say me di bi ka ho na ayefe. Okay, to me be use black pencil way. Na me di aye eyi. Me ni ase. Na me use mirror kit way. So one thing here, what we need. Na we need things you. Now I say what eye makeup ni nyina nti. I say what to. Okay, to the akaya mascara. And no me the kakra be miami eyelashes no say. Na I blend it. Na me the kakra so aye me bottom lashes no. And no cry de nya kra. Se top no ni bia and ye bottom no asakra. Anko yi ama me kra. Mascara we cry mambo ni tin. Your friend no Too Faced. We ni mienu. True. Mienu faced. Ni din so I can ho ye better than sex. Me nim de no more dwene ho a omoto mascara we sardine no. And yeah. And ye mascara na ye papa. Okay, and to say I cut mano. Okay, to me use a brown lip liner where your NYX. Ni dinu dear main kind. Okay, ni dinu your dark brown. And to me be lining my lips no. Say. Nothing so be use a lipstick way. A MAC Stone and a bow. Sana lipstick no dinty. It kakra be mano. Say what's the color no? F. Okay, to me so no maybe you so a lip gloss way a Milani color non so yeah. I'm say best secret. Me lip gloss are me pepper near and only a Fenty Beauty dear no. When me no my favorite. And she na dear me you so we no. When I thick kakra and to do so a check. Color non say similar to a MAC lipstick no. And she and no copper pepper. And it me the yeso. Na manu aye a soche to say me disra de nam. And the last thing I maybe you so a Urban Decay setting spray. Na me dia spray me nim hu nyina na bibia set it. And Timerio and no me de me feel me hu me why pa. Ghana 4 girls you will chrome and say you will chrome wa monka montrongo ase ho why. Okay, nti me da mu nyina ase se mo hwe e video yi. Mesrɛ mo se video no e ya wo fa mon press a like button no. Na mon subscribe to my channel you. Na mesrɛ me pese me drew 30,000 me nyanru nti me hia mo nyina se mo be subscribe. Video no se ya mo fa mo fa nkyerɛ mo namfofo. Mo fa nkyerɛ mo maame mo. Mo fa nkyerɛ obia no mo hwɛ bi why. Nti me di nyame eja mo nyina. Nti mo be hu me wo me next video no mo. Bye.